With the councillor say, council, media my ever ready. Say became one boom. Now yet me I rescue this country because trajectory now no multi-party democracy now say yes I you boom composite emu. I see it as continuation of colonization and the one on an economic one. Bruni what turning them no share no their brow now posau. And this is how Omaya World Bank abre 1 billion for agriculture and when yaje. Now World Bank skabi si wa Swiska omotubu. We can raise this money for agriculture easily. Say we don't need World Bank, we don't need IMF, we don't need any financial institution elsewhere to come here. If we are to do our things in a manner ebeboa omaino. Makan say we no. The American say MPP4 acquire primaries. Me da me congratulate you.
Oh, Eddie Enche,
because omo ko tender. Now the
highest bid and we
and I winning. And there's nothing like elections.
Once more do.
Another one to be. Ebena champon. Me TV so no be titi. Scam say scam the brand they fake.
Oh yeah, fair.
Branch champon 700. We be 500. We be 400. Now one delegate which are 5. Branch champon ban 700. Edu chumba no abrewu. We ban no brand. I don't know what bag. Now what bag be say 3,000. Now the coffee we are so coalition. Election be anywhere MPP4 coy. Omo ko tender and the highest bidder na we meje. What they ton China. So share and you may course who may you want. Well, a Japadia Bukuru kind.
Yeah, my kind.
Na me ho asem wom. Enti bibia wom bia agu madwenem. Omo troshe mu se. So mo ko tranchem pa they will ensure so much get the grips of the party. Na Baumia presumptive leader ewo Kufuor at the time. A government established candidate. But then now we challenge Martin wo ko super delegates one nipa 10 coin. Na asandefo wo ye 8. The Japan Baumia pay the inflation to but the target was Alanche Martin. It will be ya at the Kennedy be room. Sebaya obe breaki Alanche Martin front because Kennedy ne Alan Central region and Alan route. Central region ne papa na if you but I am for Central region. It will be the Kennedy so for Central region be room. Sebaya obe breaki Alan front. No ma disgrace Alan. The Kennedy be D second. Ama Alan could D third. Ena asanfo ni na free mu
owie fair
kami we am ye o the branch champon ena be break Kennedy front because after first one Kennedy nya 30 something say 37 so whatever achimfo no hu say akwa no first one there be 38 to say 37 o say Kennedy Japan is becoming powerful now kan Japadia book na there be after super delegate now neighbor me call yes one second the be powerful and one stop no e be ha wo mu e no de branch ampo be wura mu e resource ni boom so o ma Kennedy nkodi third na Kennedy ni bibia mra na wiye and o mu wiye no say Kennedy said the council kan they pa they want to me bibi mu MPP minim say fast forward the Brian anybody me be pair na the general election
Sambom
o de nyabotre omu wia me si omu wia omu election omu win general election bibia no checho betuma we then o ka che me asa wa bre let Brian take over na about omu dim simple
I see.
Eti Kufuor no Japade book no a wo mo tro ya se nye nokre no enema bia me hwe bia koso se de book no kan pepepe including me am dia wo mtro him say we will not allow the kid to contest the election. Apa man contest.
Oh sir.
Oh yes. What they no to nchen a ade a ama message book na di mo no say wo mo wa den the electoral college baba we drop from 61% to 56. What you say? So they are creating another Baumia unpopular in the party gradually. And uba umu party headquarters. Umu created that constituency and as a police station for for more party diasporans, former appointees, former administrators of the party, and name for women council of elders. It is now number near 987. Abono.
Party headquarters.
Party headquarters. Omukoto abano. Enipa 481. Ena koto ye. Ba ko say nti beka 480. 570. Anko kra ankoto abano. Very low turnout. What it means in say
95.1
virtual members na from what think
yeah.
Adwuma. Epedifo kukuda mo party no a e go so no mu je election so mu na so e kokoto aba ema maburu no hu se empedifo no kra a show commitment no umu nipa koto less than 44% turnout. It is telling say party no mo empedifo no happy. They don't believe in this leadership presumptive leader na enyema nyina chese ba omia na ombesomri ma no empedifo no were happy.
I see.
What dey no to nchen a say top bottom system no mo dey to aba approach no say omukwa no fashion wa ba omia side nyina omako fashion call Kenya Japan. Now, you have other levels of leadership from ward to chairman of the party national. Wow, when you Baumia, aligning with Baumia, be no bit executive
position. You be your free.
Automatic. We're going to be able because we are pulling station. Now, who about me? They know, and but we also cannot say, "What boy me have to about my baby flag bearer." Also, me baby you free. It is from top to down in a way about me functionaries.
I say, I don't know if badness and I didn't ahead of the general election.
As someone you are going to be someone I'm someone you are no more funny in idea. Let's see and count on dear. And you want to come elections. If you say, what to see will be armed. Now, GB free no wa. A best about say, a department do not have cool more. Was Baumian to make us say, could be a one who could in apart from party chairman and what do not, a be on very replacing. Exactly, so woman in her say, won't to be crackers who jina obey baby ash.
I see.
The party no and Kabum no way. But their own structure only by a man in the and Kabum better number. The divisive tendency, a baby deeping, and it will go against them because they cannot go into the elections with the divided front. It's immediate. The mean when you say, woman kasa as taboo woman. And so much say, and say a yina ba a peace na ba. Uma me kwa fu no man that's also aba.
Ade sir.
E be hu. It be kakra me hu ya. E dia tudwa eno no.
Okay.